Guava leaf tea is a beverage made from the leaves of the guava tree. It has a slightly bitter, earthy taste. Many people enjoy its unique flavor. You can find guava leaf tea in many health food stores. The tea is made by steeping guava leaves in hot water. This releases beneficial compounds into the water. These compounds are known for their health-promoting properties. Let's explore the history and benefits of this amazing tea. Guava leaf tea has a long history of use in traditional medicine. Cultures around the world have used it for centuries. In South America, it was a traditional remedy for diarrhea. Asian cultures used it to manage blood sugar levels. These traditional uses sparked scientific interest in guava leaf tea. Modern research is now confirming many of its health benefits. Let's delve into the nutritional power of guava leaves. Guava leaves are rich in several important nutrients. They contain powerful antioxidants. Antioxidants help protect your body from damage. They also contain vitamins. Vitamins are essential for many bodily functions. Guava leaves are also a good source of minerals. Minerals are crucial for bone health and other processes. This rich nutritional profile contributes to the numerous health benefits of guava leaf tea. Benefits backed by science. Scientific studies have confirmed many health benefits of guava leaf tea. It can help lower blood sugar levels. This makes it beneficial for people with type 2 diabetes. The tea can also improve heart health. It does this by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Furthermore, guava leaf tea can aid in digestion. It can soothe the stomach and reduce diarrhea. Research also suggests it may have anti-cancer properties. More studies are needed to confirm this potential benefit. Enjoy guava leaf tea every day. Making guava leaf tea is easy. Simply add a few leaves to a cup of hot water. Let them steep for 5 to 10 minutes. You can add honey or lemon for taste. Drink 1 to 2 cups daily. You can easily incorporate guava leaf tea into your daily routine. Enjoy it in the morning as a healthy alternative to coffee. Drink it in the evening to promote relaxation before bed. Guava leaf tea is a nutritious beverage with a plethora of health benefits. Its history of use in traditional medicine, coupled with modern scientific evidence, makes it a valuable addition to a healthy lifestyle. From managing blood sugar to boosting heart health, guava leaf tea offers a natural way to improve your well-being. Consider making it a part of your daily routine and experience its remarkable benefits.